We were just going over the Phoenix Summit 2, and the purpose for that is to have all of the folks who are coming here for the conference to understand a bit about why we are making the changes that we're making in the EEO course and the EO course, and why those changes have come about. And the Phoenix 2, we brought individuals in who are our customers to tell us what are those things that we're doing well, what are those things that we need to change, what are those things that we can improve on, and some things that we need to consider that we've probably not been addressing. And with that feedback, we started to work on the issues that they've asked us to, and we were giving an update on where we are as it relates to those issues.